Navita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to talk about few products from the brand Earth Rhythm. And guys, Earth Rhythm is now available on Nykaa, and I bought some products from the brand website a few months back, and I thought to share my experience with you guys. And to be very honest guys, I don't have any plan to make this video. It is just that I saw it is available on Nykaa now, and I just sit and filming this video. So yeah, let's get started. So from this brand I have this cleansing balm, this facial towel, this makeup removal pad, and this rose water. And guys, all Earth Rhythm products are 100% natural products, and it is no animal tested. And the best part is that they don't use any plastic for their packaging. There are some pictures which was clicked previously, and as you can see how I have received their product and how the packaging was. Even the sellotape was made by paper, and must say their packaging was a completely eco-friendly packaging. At first I'm going to talk about this Damask Rose Water Balancing Toner. This is for normal to dry skin peoples. It is plant-based, 100% organic vegan product. It is no animal tested, and the price of the toner is $5.99, and you're gonna get 100 ml of product. The toner comes in this kind of pink glass spray bottle, only that spray pump is made by plastic. This is for normal to dry skin types, but they offered variety of facial toner for different skin types. So you just need to spray onto your clear skin morning and night before applying moisturizer, and as needed during the daytime, and you will see your skin transformation. And guys, it is very hydrating and it smells like true Indian rose. Next product I have this bamboo cotton facial pad, and it is actually a facial towel, and that is how the towel looks like. It is very soft towel, and it comes in this kind of eco-friendly bag. I always prefer something which is softer than our regular towels, and guys, it's a very soft towel and it is made by bamboo cotton. Again, it's an eco-friendly product, whereas our regular towels may be made by synthetic cottons. And guys, I prefer to use it at the time of my face cleaning, like face wash, scrubbing, etc. And I also use it as an alternative product of my cotton pads at the time of makeup removing. And guys, unlike cotton pads, you can wash it and reuse, and I'll show you the application at the end of the video. Next product I have this cleansing balm, natural antiseptic and healing, enriched with propolis extract. It is a natural product and it is not tested in animals. In their cleansing balm range, they also have variety of cleansing balm like a charcoal balm, green tea balm, etc. The price of the product is $5.99 rupees, and you're gonna get 100 grams of product. In the bag they have mentioned all the ingredients. So the next and the last product I have this makeup removal towel, and that is how it looks like. So guys, to be very honest, I haven't tried it before because already I have a lot of cleansing makeup cleansing products like makeup cleansing oil, creams and everything. So yeah, I haven't tried it before, and as per my knowledge, it should have the ability to clean your makeup with water only. So now I'm gonna clean my makeup using this product on this side of my face, and gonna clean my makeup using this cleansing balm on this side of my face. So yeah, let's see what's happened. So now I'm applying this cleansing balm on this side of my face. Remember guys, you have to apply it on your dry face in circular motion. Once your makeup start dissolving, just spread a little bit of water and the cream started emulsify and becomes milky, and then wash it with water or just remove it with any wet facial towel. Here I am using Earth Rhythm bamboo cotton facial pad just to clean my face. guys, that is the result. In this side of my face, I am using this wet makeup removal pad, and let's see how it was. Guys, the result is just wow. I am totally impressed with the result. It just not only remove my makeup, it remove my waterproof eyeliner and eyelash glue. So guys, I really like all these 4 products, and I am totally surprised with the result of the facial makeup removal pad. And yeah, I highly recommend this brand. And guys, now it is available on Nykaa, so it's easy to purchase the products. So I'll share those link into the description. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.